Just a quick video about dashcam for people renting a Tesla from Tesla-Taxi-Millin. You will notice with the Tesla app you can access your security functions in the app itself, and when you're not in the car itself you can bring up a live view of the cameras and actually save screenshots from your phone of what the car's seeing. But in this video we're going to be talking more about the actual software inside the car itself. So you can bring up cameras here and you can bring up dash cam here, and if you are looking at the dash cam footage you can use the little slider there to see, this is just a storm we had earlier today, to see what you're looking at and when the actual event occurred, and you can click on each of the cameras to actually see what the car has been seeing. This can be offloaded from taking the USB drive out of the glove box and putting it into your laptop, or of course you can also use just a camera on the screen as we're doing here to actually just record what you've captured in the car itself. So that's a quick rundown on how you would use the dashcam functions of a Tesla. And if you are wanting to rent one of these cars, you can go to Tesla-Taxi.com.au and we can rent you a Tesla for Uber driving in Brisbane with long-term rates and discounted pricing if you are taking a contract of 10 weeks or longer. And with the dashcam footage, as I said, that's always recording as long as you've got space on your dashcam. The little red light up here shows that the car is recording or ready to record, and if you do have it set to save on honk, every time you honk the horn it will save the dashcam footage for the last few minutes. Again, as you can see here, the slider sort of shows you where the event happened, little red dot there. So I think this one here, I just wanted to capture that lightning strike, so I just hit the horn after I saw that. So of course you'd do the same thing if there was a traffic incident or anything else you wanted to capture and come back to later. Tesla-Taxi.com.au. Thank you.